Every time you want to fly the thing, you got all this BS. I didn't think it was that windy, but it really feels like it's pretty windy up there. See, I'm down here, I can feel wind, but you know, these trees right here, they will block in some wind on you when you're standing down here. But they don't block the wind above the tree, okay? So, well, it's flying good. That's all I care about. I just came out to fly it around a little bit, just to see how it was acting. I'm gonna try one of these orbit subject things. They added some new stuff here, like this keyframing and hover and all that, but I've never used any of this stuff, so. So, yeah, that's working great. Now, I don't know if you can make it more or less or up or down. Let's try it out. Okay. So it's doing it. Now let's see if I can get lower. So we know it'll go higher. This thing goes pretty fast, actually. I can slow it down though. I see that. Let me try to slow it down a little here. Okay, so I stopped that because it was starting to get a little close. I didn't know how it was going to react. So, motion track. I remember this one from the following the bikes and the scooters. Okay, I don't need that one for standing here. Fixed track. Then you can maybe slide this around. Yeah. So it'll go to the other side of you. So yeah, these things work. So we'll get rid of that one. What else we got? Keyframe on the cable. I use that one with the GoPro thing, the Karma motion track. I don't need them. Okay. Then they have the dronies and all that stuff, so I don't need that. We'll just go back to manual. All right. I just wanted to come out here and check this because they did an update, and they just said they had another update when I turned it on. They said there was another update available, and actually they let me fly it without doing that update, which they used to never do. Before, you would have to put the update on or it wouldn't fly. And that kind of ticked me off a couple of times when I was out at places to fly. I couldn't fly it because of that, but I got a couple new scooters in I want to track with this thing, so I just wanted to come out and check it out. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.